This is starch, the normal starch you used to eat before. This the flour, that starch flour. You understand? Uh-huh. This is caustic soda. This is the container where I will be. This is for another apartment for water. This will be the apartment for, you see everything. This is water. This is water. And I'll be using my spoon as the stirrer. Okay.
The time, 12 p.m. Oya take speed now. Follow us on top social media. For Facebook, we be at Confirm FM. For Instagram, we be at Confirm FM. And for X, we be Twitter before, we be at Confirm FM. Our phone number na 080 72 895 895. Confirm FM. We will stay for you. Every day Lagos dey hustle, wahala and plenty gist. But inside all those noise, one voice dey stand gidigba. Na the voice wey sabi your story, wey dey speak your language, wey dey give you correct talk, laughter and real life matters. This no just be radio, na confirm station, the one wey dey bring you news, gist, story and vibe for pure English. From sunrise to sunset, we dey your side. To make you smile, listen deep and feel like true Lagos person. Confirm 89.5 FM. Now we dey talk your language. No fake vibe, no long talk, just real people, real gist, real talk. Now confirm 89.5 FM. We there for you. Like you said, I go with Confirm FM. It's 9.5 FM. Confirm. Speak. We're here for you.